Where's it? Otumfuo Achaime, Your Majesty, King of Kings of the Ashanti Kingdom, yes. King of Kings Otumfuo Asantehene, Your Majesties, Honorables, Nananum, ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense honor, joy, great emotion, and profound respect that I address you today. I'm here as Deputy Mayor of the city of Bobigny, which is in France. I also stand here with the support of young leaders from UNESCO Network. I have the honor of being accompanied by young people from the Bomoyi Association, a non-profit organization for whom this visit represents far more than just a simple trip. It is a true immersion into Ashanti culture and encounter with a people proud of the history, traditions, and values in our motherland. We have come to discover, to learn, to listen, and to forge bonds. For we are convinced that understanding one another is the first step towards lasting friendship. Being received by Your Majesty today is a tremendous, unforgettable privilege. I fully understand and I fully appreciate the honor being bestowed upon us, and I thank you most sincerely. I hope this meeting will mark the beginning of cooperation between cities of Bobigny and Kumasi. I hope this meeting will deeply forge partnerships and collaboration between Ghana and France. We wish to develop cultural and educational exchanges as well as economic ones so that our young people and our populations can learn from one another. Why not envision in time a genuine twinning arrangement between our communities? I deeply believe that our differences are a source of richness and that our stories, however geographically distant, come and can come together around the values of respect, the passing on of heritage and partnership and fraternity. Yesterday, I was warmly welcomed, I was warmly entertained with my delegation by Odehono Otri Kusi Ntrama II, Paramount Chief of Esumeja. Thank you for such a warm welcome. I hope this day marks the first chapter of a wonderful story between France and Ghana. And also, I brought some gifts, some donation to support the King's Foundation. And also, I brought small gift to show my deepest appreciation to our King, the King of Kings. My deepest grateful. I'm deeply grateful. Thank you. Can we please bring the gift to the King of Kings, please? Yes, and of course.
Thank you.
Yes, there are snaps inside. I can say there are snaps inside it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Mira Adaroma. Onana no mai. Ose Adaroma mu free France abrochimem. Krubia friend of Bobigny, one on nane, Sabi Oye Miro, our Daumano. Dick was what in chair more than if you ho at the brow. Adarma was so mobile, Strape. Now you manage to do say France, Bobigny ho, and Sabi Asantehene, and Asagana, Ebena, Nkutamudi, Aronkofa, near Suya, Amamre, Yesuya, Yahua dear, na Etimia Boa Crono, Emino. Also, who say Adisuya, Nkutamudi. Ewo nipa ni nipa mi no ayonkofa mu no eboama ayonkofa no ejina papa odaroma wo se obabedru ye wa obenkumhene na asuminya hene wo se o mana kwa ba kama amana ni aka ni agibebre wo se odaroma o gidie se sa nsrahwe edi nkabo mu ani mpuntu ebeba sebe Bobigny ene Asantehene entem odaroma achedie ahodo bi wo hono mu a watudi se na wanya akwanya abaidie wode ba no de aba Abrew Achame. Afi education fund and so other man so abase education fund out there esi wono enso obabe boabi. Nana nu baya omuba so no be dia there na omu abenyayon kufa sronko abeto Asantehene ene kuro Bobigny entem. Said the onana no esi ne group. Education fund ho ne mom de buy enso Où est le mayor même? Le député mayor. Oh, ok. Mayor, comment c'est mayor? Bray. Ira say, mayor and our best trying. Also, your mayor, ha. Inti janam na enemo enini ni abania na se fa kwaba nsema.
Oduva Jame. Oduva Jame. On behalf of His Majesty and the good people of Kumasi and Asantehene, we extend our warmest welcome to the Deputy Mayor of the city of Bobigny from France. Kumasi is where Ghana happens. It is the cultural citadel of this country. It is the city where Ghana's potential really is unearthed. The city of Kumasi is ever ready to partner with your city for us to enjoy mutual benefit. So on behalf of the King, we welcome you to our city and we stand ready to work together for our mutual benefit. You're very much welcome.
Zubani, dina anymore in a final question.
Yes, I pray France Mayor, Deputy Mayor, and I am what you say, always for say, or say, or say, Asantehene, and what day and Munam, and the Wubia. Bebana Bay and Kabumu, Naumabua, Sebaya, Asantehene, and the France, Bobigny, Ebeka Bomane, Money, and Yamamre, Etimi, Atoye, Nabia, Akuye, Kama, Amaya, the Tosun, so, or so, my Yura, and the Toche. Now, the Tosun, so, I say, a brow by no, a Crobias and Tokotokene, or no one, and my hene, a swing hene, or by a known what Jena, or we are man on the Nijian, who come up, if we are saying also so, and a Kumasi Mayor, and I'm say, Crobias and Tokotoko say, prior, we back with the Bunemo Kabumo, it's Mayor, and a share, or also so, Ejna, Asantehene, and then Mona, or non so, a day Akwasidae, and the man, a rabaya, or no, a Mayor, a war France, Bobigny. Na or say or pese or ne Asante a Bobigny ne Asante Bekambum na aye adesua ne amane ne amamre ne empuntu ahodo a or pese aman ne mienu nyina kabom na omoye na ayonkofa kese ebeda yentemo no aye owura zuba ono nso so edi aye monyam se ne ogina na mu enso so eda araba ya senti sabrede aye mayor deputy mayor of France mamu Bobigny ono nso ne na pamfo omunyina ma krobia Asante Kotoko ne adetochi enti omu akwa sabe so wadin sa to nsayam na ono so wache akrobia asante Kotokohene Sabre France for no ai omongosua omomayura ade toche France for no gosua omomayura ade toche sanse ewra no se obepese asanteman ene bomini kro no ebeye enkabomu ayonkofa kese ebeba abeda yentem se efa enwoma sua ene ya mane ene ya mamre ebetimi etu empon Kotokose so bi kasa je aduane hye no pipipie mu a se bi gru se bi so na wonyewo ane se de ye no ano no sanse wonim se eye oman yi mu nyina Robia Asante Kotokohene no wakura na mane ne na mamrem emfie wo ha mako enan eye emfie ahanan ene echire ane amani bi ni ho no mo asebie bro sabie so Asante mu ha no mo na se o man Ghana mu ono se wonyini edese eye Asante enunti na brebia ye ka kire o se Asante eyo man Asante eyo man sabe se entahara na etwagu o kire no entahara na etwagu o kire no enunti o so hu no se ene Probia Asante Kotokohene watenase ewo menhia Kotokofiem ayedi eye Akwasidae edia etoso
President of Toronto, Canada.
Sabre President of
Canada. President Toronto.
Eba abema yura ade tochi Sabre eye Toronto I sele kano omande omo kano Toronto yanso ya de yesi Toronto
na breshia hineso na okeka no ho
edru ha amonso ba be ma yewra ade tochi eye Toronto for Ghana for ma a ewo no mo amonso be ma Krobia Asante Koto